Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross versus Toyota RAV4. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore their design philosophies, standard features, and what makes each vehicle a strong contender in its segment. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to inform your next vehicle choice. When it comes to performance, the Eclipse Cross typically features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, providing a responsive feel for daily driving with 152 horsepower. The RAV4, however, often comes with a larger 2.5-liter engine, delivering around 203 horsepower, offering more robust acceleration. For those prioritizing fuel economy, the RAV4 hybrid variants significantly outperform the Eclipse Cross, making it a greener choice. Inside, both SUVs offer comfortable cabins, but with different approaches. The Eclipse Cross provides a user-friendly infotainment system, often with a 7-inch or 8-inch display. The RAV4 typically boasts a larger, more advanced system, sometimes up to a 10.5-inch screen, and generally offers more cargo volume, around 37 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Both prioritize safety with various driver assistance features. Considering overall value, the Eclipse Cross often presents a more accessible entry point with a lower starting price, making it appealing for budget-conscious buyers. The RAV4, while potentially costing more upfront, typically boasts superior fuel efficiency, especially with its hybrid models, and maintains a higher resale value, offering long-term savings. Your choice depends on whether initial cost or long-term value is your priority. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.